I can, you can. Anybody can. Okay? I'm just trying to inspire and motivate you. You. I can, you can. You get this one. And the main thing, the important one, the game changer is consistency, guys. Consistency is the key. That means 1 month dekoro kuno that's it. Okay guys, welcome back to my another vlog. Today's vlog is gonna be super exciting and I'm super excited for that, and I hope you guys are excited too. I mean, I'm really sorry I made you guys wait for quite a long. Yeah, so yeah, today I'm gonna unbox my YouTube silver play button in this vlog right now. Yeah, this is the moment guys, and with this one I got a few frames over here to be hanged here and here or there. This looks completely empty, so one of these will go there, and then here, and this one right above the TV in a center. Yep. So guys, before that I need drilling machine for this one frames, and the silver button. With the help of this one we'll put this one right here anyway. So for that I need drilling machine, and I need to go there at my workplace to get drilling machine from Achugan, you know. And then by the way, you guys might be thinking there's nothing over here. I mean, that guy right there, he peed on the couch and I had to send them for the washing, you know. Good girl, good boy, and then bad boy over there. Yeah guys, what to do? I love them. Okay guys, let's get ready with me. I don't want to show my room, it's all messed, super messed. That's a bomb go. I've ordered something. Okay, I came to check on it here right now. It's kind of surprise. Okay. That means 1 month dekoro kuno that's it. Thank you. Okay, so it's going to take 1 month now. Surprise, another big surprise. Come on, let's jump over here. Stop on that. got the drilling machine. Drilling machine is here. Drilling machine. But we have to be back here in 30 minutes because they have to work right after lunch. So we have to rush. Alright guys, we are done with all drillings and all, and we have to, as I told earlier, that we have to get back in 30 minutes, so we have to go right now. Let's go. Yeah. It's all messed right now. We will be back. Alright guys, we are taking a break right now. Really hungry. Just moment. I'm busy right now. No unboxing today, okay? Tomorrow. Neko neko. Neko neko. Neko 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 neko. Neko neko. Neko 차로 밀붙여 아. 차로 가이 밀붙여 아. 응? 차로 밀. Cara me bom. Nico, Nico. Nico, Nico. Nico, Nico. Deixa. Alright guys, finally, we're gonna unbox this one. Okay guys, let's go. Okay guys, finally. Just a moment. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored. Do you remember your first subscriber? Are you the one? To let me know in the comment section, okay? Ooh. What's this? Recognize your team. That's it. And guys, Mikey is always like this. Whenever he finds box, he gets in the ball and sleeps like this. It's like, I'm sorry. Sleep. Kachikira chamus show hai. Sleep. Guys, finally. You know guys, if I can do, why you can't? You can do it, you know? Just start it. I told this one in my previous vlog and I'm telling right now, best time to start was 10 days ago. And the second one is right now, okay? Right now. And you guys might be thinking, how should I start? You know, what niche should I choose? You know, what content should I choose? Just don't think guys, go for it. Okay, no problem. I would like to thank each and every one of you for your love and support, and thank you so much guys. Thank you, I really mean it, and really means a lot, your love and support to me. That's why I'm here with this one, and this really motivates me for like to create more content and more better and good content and dance obviously. So yeah, thank you so much, love you all. Just go for it guys, just go for it. When I say go for it, some of you, not some of you, all of you, even I was like this before. I can't face the camera in public and I can't watch myself and hear my voice. It's kind of cringy, but when you keep doing that, that gets used to, you know, like, oh, that's normal, you know, for you. And then after that, you just keep on watching tons of vlogs on YouTube, you know, like watch it and try to copy them and then vlog it, and then consistency, and keep on doing that, and then slowly, I don't want to tell all in detail right now because I'm also in learning stage right now. So you just keep on doing, you will know what to do, and then you get more experience, and then after that, consistency is the key. Okay, so yeah, the important thing is right now this one, not you, this one. This could be you, in the future. Okay, I mean it. Okay, finally guys, this thing belongs here, my reward. Okay, yep, I'm telling you again, if I can, you can, anybody can. Okay, I'm just trying to inspire and motivate you. I can, you can, we get this one. And then guys, and I'm planning for the gold. Maybe this year, if not next year, but I'll try my best this year. Gold. Okay, gold means 1 million, 100k. Today, right now I got 160k subscribers, and probably end of this year 1 million. So if I can, you can. Thank you for watching my vlog.